To create sales reports in QuickBooks, follow these steps. Log into your QuickBooks account and navigate to the Reports tab. In the search bar, type Sales or browse through the available report categories to find sales-related reports. Select the sales report that best suits your needs, such as sales by customer summary or sales by product service. Customize the report parameters, such as the date range, specific customers or products, and any other relevant filters. Once you have set the desired parameters, click on the Run or Generate button to generate the sales report. QuickBooks will process the data and display the report on your screen. You can further customize the report layout, add or remove columns, and apply additional filters to refine the results. Finally, you can export the report to a PDF or Excel format, or print it directly from QuickBooks. Use these reports to gain insights into your sales performance, monitor trends, and make informed business decisions. Make sure to like and subscribe if this video gave you valuable info. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.